Chippers, welcome to another edition of Chipper's Woodshop. Remember our gate. This is our gate. To add some support to this, I put little corner brackets in each corner to add some support to the actual screws that we put in. Now what we're going to do is, this is our side. These are the old hinges that I had left over, so we're going to go ahead and mount these on here, and then we're going to go out back and actually put this together. So safety glasses on. Put the screws in. So we get these all on there, and then we're going to take it back, and then we're going to go ahead and mount it. All lined up. I pre-drilled pilot holes again on this. Get it lined up. And one more screw. Alright, so we got our hinges on, so now we're going to go out back and we're going to go ahead and mount it on the frame. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to actually mount our gate that we built on, and what I've done to help me out is I put these clamps on to actually hold it in place, so I don't have to hold it and try and drill the holes at the same time. Now we're going to take our level, put it on top to make sure that we're level. So it is level because the bubble is inside the two lines, so we're all ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is mount the screws into the hinges. We'll get these in there. Get those all in. But before I go ahead and put the rest of the screws in, I'm going to take these brackets off to make sure that the gate actually works. So take these off. Okay. So now we have our gate. And there we go. Opens and closes. So I'm going to go ahead and put the last two screws in. And there we go. We have our gate in. So the last thing you got to do is we got to mount a latch onto the gate. And so here's our latch. And this is the keeper. This is like the little door lock. So the way we're going to mount this, we're going to mount this on here like this. Then that way this will go on the side over here, and we'll be able to lock our gate. Take our gate, we're going to want it about right there. Put a screw in there. Put one more in. Now we got to put the keeper on. So we're going to get that ready. And the way that goes on is that goes up like that. So we're going to get this lined up with our latch. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and put 2 screws in that. Make sure it's straight. Now our gate's latched. I'm going to open it. Just open it like that. And there we go. We'll see you in the shop.